see, see. This verb is used when visual information comes to our eyes unintentionally.
Let's go see a movie. Let's go see a movie. We saw a play at the theater. We saw a play at the theater. I need to see a doctor. I need to see a doctor. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. I can't see the board from here. I can't see the board from here. I'll see you in my dreams. I'll see you in my dreams. Did you see where I left my keys? Did you see where I left my keys? I've never seen snow before. I've never seen snow before. I see the bus coming now. I see the bus coming now. Can you see the hummingbird by the flowers? Can you see the hummingbird by the flowers?
Look, look. Unlike see, look involves intentionally focusing your eyes on something.
Look at that beautiful sunset. Look at that beautiful sunset. Look, a storm is coming. Look, a storm is coming. Look at the sky. It's so clear today. Look at the sky. It's so clear today. Look who's here. Look who's here. She's looking at you. She's looking at you. They were looking at each other and laughing. They were looking at each other and laughing. The girl is looking at the cake. The girl is looking at the cake. Let's look around the store for more options. Let's look around the store for more options. Look both ways before crossing the street. Look both ways before crossing the street. Look at the board, please. Look at the board, please.
Watch, watch. This verb is for paying attention to something over a period of time, especially things that are moving or changing.
I watch the news every morning. I watch the news every morning. I watch my kids play in the park. I watch my kids play in the park. Do you like watching movies? Do you like watching movie? We watch the fireworks on the 4th of July. We watch the fireworks on the 4th of July. She watches her cooking show to learn new recipes. She watches her cooking show to learn new recipes. Lifeguards watch swimmers to prevent accidents. Lifeguards watch swimmers to prevent accidents. Chefs watch the color of the meat to ensure it's cooked perfectly. Chefs watch the color of the meat to ensure it's cooked perfectly. I'm watching a video. I'm watching a video. They watch the sunset together at the beach. They watch the sunset together at the beach. We watch the basketball game together. We watch the basketball game together.